In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect a workspace from Notion Calendar. Sometimes you might need to remove a workspace you no longer use or tidy things up if you've connected the wrong one. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path inside Notion Calendar so you can safely disconnect a workspace without any confusion. First, open Notion Calendar in your browser. At the top of the page, look for a small arrow near the top left area of the window. This is usually next to the current view or workspace name. Go ahead and click on that small arrow. This opens a quick menu that gives you access to more detailed options for your calendar setup. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says View Settings and click on it. This will open a dedicated settings panel or page where all of your calendar's configuration options live. It's much easier to manage connections and integrations from here rather than from the main calendar view. Once you're in the settings area, you'll see a few different categories or tabs. Find the one labeled General Settings and click on it. General Settings is where Notion Calendar keeps high-level options, and it's also where you'll be able to see and manage your connected workspaces. Now, within General Settings, look for the section that lists your connected workspaces. You should see the workspace that you want to disconnect. Click directly on that workspace. This will open more detailed options related specifically to that connection, such as permissions, access, and the ability to remove it. Inside the workspace details, you'll see a button or link that says Disconnect. Click on Disconnect. Before you do this, just keep in mind that disconnecting will remove this workspace's connection to Notion Calendar. Events or pages from that workspace will no longer sync here. If you're sure you don't need that connection anymore, it's safe to proceed. After clicking Disconnect, Notion Calendar will guide you through a short confirmation process. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. You might be asked to confirm that you really want to disconnect, and in some cases, you may need to wait a moment while the change is applied. Just read each message carefully and continue until the process finishes. Once the prompts are complete, your workspace will be disconnected from Notion Calendar, and you'll be back in control of a cleaner, more focused